So now let's see how we can work around with brushes inside of Microsoft Paint. So to work around with brushes, I'm going to go around into brushes right here. And if I were to click it, you can see that you have a bunch of brushes menu. Let's say, for example, if you select brush, then you got a brush like this. If I were to go around, select a different kind of brush, then you can see that now I have a bigger brush. Then you can see that this has a different effect. Similarly, I can select this. This is a different kind of brush, as you can see right here. And then select this. This is a different kind of brush. So you can select the size of the brush. So you can make the size of the brush small or large, depending on what you need. So this is more like a pencil, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and select the stroke right here. So I can really make it large, as you can see, and the type of the brush changes according to what you choose right here. So now you can draw it in the way you want, and if you want to change the color, then you can select the color from the edit color menu as well, and then that color brush is actually there for you to use. So I can select this out, click and drag this around, and this is what you have. So let's go around over here onto red, click and drag this around, and this is what you have. And that is how you can work around with brushes inside of Microsoft Paint. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.